How to find public Wi-Fi near you. Let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, head over to Wi-Fi and enable the Wi-Fi. You will be able to see tons of different networks near you. Right beside the network, if you see this lock icon, then it means that the Wi-Fi is private. But if this icon is not available, then it might be a public Wi-Fi. You can simply have the access to the Wi-Fi by tapping on it. If not, the next thing you want to try doing is head over to the App Store on your device. Once you're inside the App Store, in the search bar, search for free Wi-Fi. And then click on this app. You need to install this application on your device. And with the help of this app, you will be able to find all the public Wi-Fi and hotspot near you. You will also be able to join it easily, and after that you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.